Hello and welcome to the Internship Studio on AutoCAD Essentials. I am Prabhakar, an Autodesk Certified Associate with you. This is our session number 8. We are going to discuss about the circle command. Generally, what are the data do we need to draw a circle? We need a center point, radius or diameter. If you have a circumference, from there we will get the radius or diameter. We can draw the circle. Generally, I used to say circle is a line. How it is? Imagine if you have a straight line, if you bend the straight line in the form of circular shape, it is called as a circle. How do we say? Line is nothing but a collection of points. If you put those points in a circular form, then it is said to be a line in a circular shape. That's all. Okay? Right. How can we define a circle? Circle is nothing but concentrating or focusing a single point, that is called as center point. Draw a line around 360 degree with equal distance, that is called as radius, which will give as a circle, right? What are the tools do we need to draw a circle on the paper? Generally, we have a compass, rings, sometimes bangles also. Apart from this, we have a circle marking tools also. So these are based on the center point radius methods. Okay, right. In AutoCAD, we have a plenty of methods to draw a circle. Center point radius, a center point diameter, 2-point method, 3-point method, tangent, radius, tan. So there are 6 methods to draw a circle. We will discuss one by one detail. Let me discuss about center point radius and center point diameter. Is it both are same or different? Imagine we have a 2 circle. First circle diameter is 30, second circle is radius 7.5. Now, I'm going to draw these both the circle using center point radius. Okay. First circle diameter is given. So, obviously, we know that the radius will be 15. Easily we can draw. This circle radius directly given 7.5, we can draw. Now, I'm going to try this both the circle using center point diameter. First circle diameter directly given, directly we can give 30 mm, we will draw. Second circle, it has radius 7.5. Then what is the diameter? 2 times of the radius is diameter. So we can draw that also. 15 is the diameter. Now here my question is, both the circle I can able to draw using center radius as well as center diameter. Then why both is needed? Either one, either center radius or center diameter is enough, no? Why do we need both the method? Right? Is my question. You may think that center diameter options does not need at all. But in AutoCAD, whatever is given, there is some reason. What is the reason behind this? We are going to discuss now. Okay? Right. Imagine we have a ballpoint pen, right? So this ballpoint pen has some specification of this ball. Maybe 0.5, 0.7, 0.8. There is a small ball in the needle. It has a diameter of 0.8. So small size components and all we used to specify as a diameter only, not in a radius. Right. These small size balls need to be manufactured first. How they are manufacturing, on what specification, how the dies or tools it is needed. In the similar way, we have another example. Injection needles. Okay, there are different size varieties of needles are available. So through the injection needle, the medicine has to come, right? So there is small hole in that. What is the size of the hole? So there are different gauges are available. So these sizes are specified by only diameters. How they are manufacturing it? That is another question. The first thing is we are following the uniformity. So small sizes we have to specify in diameters only. That is the one reason. Another reason for using the center point diameter option is, for example, if you don't have a center point diameter option, if you want to construct this circle, diameter 3.375, what will you do? So we don't have a diameter option. So you may convert this into radius. So you may get the radius values 1.6875. Sometimes we may take approximate 1.68 or 1.7. Okay. If you construct the circle using 1.69, you will get the circle. But what about the diameter? The diameter will be 3.38 only. We will not get 3.375. You may think that it is not a big issue, right? But we are using extensive tool called AutoCAD. We need to draw specifically exactly. You are thinking about only one circle. You imagine that you are going to manufacture a product which has 100 holes on the plate. So imagine one plate has 0.005 error. Then think about the 100 holes. So the error will be big. So to avoid those errors, okay, to avoid such a mistakes, so we are going to use center point diameter options. Okay, so it is must only. Wherever it is critical to use radius, those locations we are going to use center point diameter options. Okay, right. As usual, I set the limits. Now I'm going to draw a circle. If just press the circle, you have options center point radius, center point diameter. Okay. By choosing this also directly you can draw the circle. Now I'm going to use the command prompt. Just type circle. You will get the option. First option is what? Specify center point for circle. Just I'm going to click on the screen, or let me type some values. 50, 50 is my center point. See this? This is my center point 50, 50. Now I'm going to give the radius. Radius is how much? 5. I'm giving the radius. Similarly, again I'm going for circle command. Center point, same 50, 50 I'm giving. Now I want to use diameter. So what I have to do now? So default option is center point radius only. So if I want a diameter, just click the diameter. Now it will ask the diameter. What is our diameter? Let me give diameter 20. So this is diameter 20 circle and this is radius 5 circle. Okay, right. As of now, we are discussing only center point radius, center point diameter. This is called center point method of drawing the circle. Apart from the center point, we can construct the circle in AutoCAD. That is called 2-point method, 3-point method, tangent, tangent radius, and tan, tan, tan. Let me discuss about these things detailedly now. First, 2-point method. Just we are going to give 2 points. By giving this 2 points, we will get the circle. We are not going to give any center point. We are not going to give any radius or diameter. Then what will happen? These 2 points will act as a diameter point of the circle. So automatically AutoCAD will find the midpoint of these 2 points. Then that will take it as a center point for this circle. It will construct this circle. So you are given 2 points. That 2 point will act as the circumference point, or it can be set as a diameter point of that particular circle. Okay. Similarly, we can go for 3-point method. We can give any 3 points. So you are not going to give any center point radius for this. So center point radius, automatically the AutoCAD will find out around these 3 points. Okay. We will get the circle. So these 3 points will act as a circumference point of the circle. Okay. Here I have a small questions for you. Okay. Right. Now I'm going to give 3 points. The first point is 10, 10. So let it be 10, 10 on the screen. Okay. Similarly 20, 30. So fix the point 20, 30. Third point 30, 30. So 30, 30. If you give such a way, you will get the circle. As I said, 3 points mean you can give any 3 points, you will get the circle. Suppose if I give a point like this, 10, 10 is my first point, 20, 20 is my second point, 30, 30 is my third point. Will I get the circle for these 3 points? No, you will not get a circle. Why? What is the reason? I said any 3 points, you will get the circle. But this kind of combination, you will not get the circle. Here also I given 3 points, but I will not get circle here. Why? Because the first 3 points you gave, you got the circle because that forms some curvature. But the second method that does not forms any curvature, it will create a straight line. What I'm coming to say here, if you are giving 3 points, that 3 point should form some curvature, then only you will get the circle. It should not form a straight line. Okay, right. So let us try these 2 methods in AutoCAD. Just I'm going to type the circle command. Okay, I'm not going to use the center point method. I'm going to use 2-point method. Just click 2 point. So it is asking the first point. Let me click the first point somewhere on the screen and second point. So where did you given the first point and second point? You don't know here. Okay. So we want to identify those points now. Now I fix 2 points on the screen. Okay. Just I'm choosing the 2 points. Okay. First point and second point. See this. So 2 point is acting as a diameter point. Similarly, I have 3 points. I'm going to draw the circle by 3 points. Just choose the points 1, 2, see here, third point. Okay. Now I'm going to give circle 3 points. Let me choose 10, 10, 20, 20, and 40, 40. What is the message it gives? See this, it is invalid point. You are given a wrong point because see this 10, 10, 20, 20, 40, 40 will form straight line only. Okay, this is not correct for circle. Just change any one point of X and Y, you will get a circle now. Okay, circle 3 point. First point is 10, 10. Second point 20, 20. Third point 40, 20 I am giving. Just I change the third point Y value. I got the circle. Okay, right. Next, we are going to discuss TTR method. That means tangent, tangent, radius. We are going to construct the circle tangent with the two objects with the specified radius. That's all. Okay, here I have 4 set of objects. Let me ask you one question. Which set of object tangent to each other? Either A, B, C, D. See here, A. These two circles are tangent to each other or not. These two lines, what we can say, this is not a tangent to each other because this is a parallel line. I can say C is a tangent because it is touching here. D, it has a tangent property as well as perpendicular property. Then how can I define this? What is meant by tangent? If you extend the object somewhere, it may touch each other. If you extend the parallel line, either top end or bottom end, it will not touch anywhere. But see here, already these points are touching. See here, these two lines are touching. You should have this kind of objects only to draw a circle using TTR method. You should not have parallel lines. Okay. Now we are going to construct the circle using these methods. I have 2 circles now. Just go to the circle command, choose the option TTR method. So tangent to first object. So this is my first object. It should touch nearly somewhere here. In the same way, my second tangent points of the object somewhere here. Just select. Now we have to specify the radius. Let me give the radius 10. It does not exist. Why the circle is not coming? The gap between these two circles is bigger than the diameter of the circle. So I should increase. Let me give the radius 30. It has come now. Okay. So right. Let me try again. So same tangent points I'm choosing. I'm going to give the radius 40. So the tangent point according to the radius it may change. Okay. Circle TTR, select the line and line. I'm going to give the radius 5. See this 5 radius circle. It is not touching, but circle we got. How? If you extend the line, it will surely touch the circle. It will not intersect the circle. Okay. Similarly, circle TTR, just select these 2 lines. I'm going to give 10 as the radius. See now, TTR, select these 2 lines, tangent, tangent, and give the radius 15. Like this, easily we can construct. Similarly, circle, tan radius. So my circle should touch this line, touching this line. I want the radius of 5. See the radius of 5. Similarly, tan radius. My circle should touch this line and touch this line. My radius is 15. So you can zoom and see it will not intersect the line. It will touch the lines. Okay, this is called tangent to the first line, tangent to the second line with the specified radius. We can draw the circle. Okay. Next option is TTT. That means 3 tangent. Here you are not going to specify any radius. So your circle going to touch 3 objects. So the radius and center point automatically it will choose based on the objects. Okay. Here I have 3 circles. If I want to draw the circle touching these 3 objects, where will you you fix the center point? And what is the radius? We cannot identify. Okay. So those things automatically AutoCAD will take care and will draw the circle. Similarly, if you want to draw the circle should touch these three lines, where will you fix the center point and what is the radius? So if you have a center point radius, a center point diameter or TTR method, that will not suit here. So we should have a triple tangent method here to draw such circles. Okay, right. You see here, I have three circles, three different radius, three different locations of center point. Now I have to construct the circle touching these three circles. So I don't know what will be the radius. I don't know where is the center point of those circles. So what I'm going to do now, just I'm going to the circle. See here, only we have a center point method or 3-point, 2-point TTR method. Here we don't have a triple tangent method. Then where we'll go? We have to use here a ribbon. Go to the circle, choose the option here, tan, tan, tan. Okay, just select the first circle, select the second circle, select the third circle. You will get the new circle. Okay, right. Now I'm going to draw the circle should touch these three lines. For this regular triangle, easily we can find out the center point. How do we find the center point from here to mid? So this is the way easily we can find out the center point, and we can find the radius also. This is simple. If we have a regular object, we have a procedure to find out the center point and we can easily find out the radius. Suppose, imagine I have three different lines and three different angles. Okay. I want to draw the circle touching these three lines. We cannot find out the center point easily, and we cannot find out the radius in a simple way. Okay. Go to the circle options, choose tan, tan options. Just select the first line, second line for second tangent, third line for third tangent. So you will get this circle exactly touching these three different lines. So this is the beauty of our AutoCAD. Okay. I have a small exercise for you to understand the circle method. Okay. First, let us draw the line. After that, we can construct the circles. I drawn the line. Now I'm going to construct the circle. First, let us draw the black color circles. This circle center point is located from the top left corner. X is 25, Y is 25. This circle also from the bottom right corner, circle center point is 36 and 40. We have the radius. Once we construct this circle, we use all other methods. Okay. So now I'm going to draw the circle. Draw a line from the top 25 in the direction of 0 and down at 25 in the direction of minus 90. So this is the location of the center point. So now I'm going to draw the circle center point. Radius is 15. Similarly, I'm going to find out the center point from here at 36 in the direction of 180, 40 in the direction of 90. So the end point of this line is a center point. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to draw the circle, center point, radius. Choose the end point of the line is a center of my circle. Just click. Then radius is 20. Another circle, the diameter is given 20 mm. So I'm going to use circle, center, diameter. The same center point I'm using, diameter is 20. Okay. Now, my next option is I have to draw the circle touching these two big circles. So there is no radius, no center point. So I can use 2-point method only. Circle, 2 point. So just 1 and another point 2. You'll get the circle. Similarly, next this circle should touch this two line as well as the circle. So 3 tangent, tan, tan, tan option. Touching this first line, touching the second line, touching this circle. Then the bottom circle is touching these two circle with radius of 10, tan, tan radius. Touching the one line, touching the another line, radius is 10 mm. Similar way, I'm going to give you some more exercise for your practice to understand the line and circle types. Okay. If you have any queries or doubts, please let us know that. Okay. This is the end of session 8 called circle. Next session, we are going to discuss about the arc command. Okay. Thank you.